Here I have Honor 7S, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, and then date and time. If you want to change your date and time, you will have to firstly disable this automatic date and time section feature, and here you can set your date, here you can set your time. You can also change your time zone if you disable this automatic time zone feature. Here you can select your time zone. And you can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.